kids.
Hi kids!
Okay, so Shreya, I have a surprise gift for you.
What?
You need a new toy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a new toy and this is...
What is this?
This is Crenova Magnetic
मैं
Blocks.
पापा को दिखाऊंगी.
Okay. So this is Crenova Magnetic Blocks and there is endless possibility for building creativity. This is 48 pieces magnetic blocks and also there are a number of designs that we can create. Like this is a flower, this is car, this is like a rocket, this is a robot, this is a ball. Oh wow, see what is this? These are two people holding their hands. This is the house and this is some kind of animal with two legs and a tail. Oh wow, so there are endless possibilities to create things with these magnetic blocks. Now let's open it. Ooh, yay. So there is a manual also,
This is
which has a lot of patterns that we can recreate.
and this.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, then what is this? Shreya, can you show? I have got this from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below. You can check it out if you are interested. So there are 24
Daddy,
squares and 24
Daddy,
triangles
mommy.
in this
Daddy,
Toy.
hold me.
and this is the 50% off coupon with the next purchase of their Crenova blocks or toys. So Shreya, what shape is this?
Did
What shape is this? What is this?
there.
Okay, and what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. So let's take them out. What do you want to make? You want to make
Yeah.
this? What is this?
This is donkey. This is there.
Ooh. Okay, see, this is a flower. You want to make flowers?
No, there. Side.
You want to make slide? Okay. This is a small ball.
Side. You find the daddy.
You're making a flower? Okay. Okay, so this is a flower. Wow!
ये रोटी बन गया.
क्या बन गया रोटी?
हाँ. Okay. The cow and the farm.
This is another flower. How many flowers?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. 4 flowers.
दो क्या?
फ्लावर को उठा के इसके ऊपर रखो. Okay, keep this flower on top of this. Keep this flower on top of this. Yay. squares again. Squares. Here are the squares.
Walk.
Put that structure on top of this. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yay, a big tall building. This is the first floor, second floor, and the third floor. Shreya is making the third floor of building. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, let's put the third. The big tall building.
Ow. He called yellow coin.
Coin.
Yeah. Yeah, coin.
Okay. You want to make a slide? Make one more box on top of this.
What?
Slide down.
It's under डालेंगे.
Now we will make a slide. Okay? So here, see, we will make a slide. So this is the slide and we need to balance it using these triangles, okay? So these needs to be balanced here. So this is the slide.
This is tight.
So this is falling down. We will put a balance here also.
This is falling down. Then this is here.
Okay. Angles here.
Mommy,
Shreya, so this is the slide. Okay, so who will slide on this?
yeah.
Shreya wants to slide. Yay! So you have to climb from here and go here. He is going here and he is coming from here and he is sliding. Okay, so this is the slide.
Be careful, Lord.
UFO. Okay, this is UFO. What is this?
UFO.
You know who lives in the UFO? The aliens.
Where petrol hoodie?
Hi kids. Thank you for watching. See you with the another activity. Till then, bye bye and take care.